Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create sadness on Dress Impress. Let me change her hair a little bit because it's very light. It's not what we want. Okay, I think that's good enough. And I think these jeans need to be on the matte side of things. Okay. Let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is the hair. Grab this hair in this color 0E3C73. Position the Y to 0.49, Z 0.51. Rotate the X to 0.49. Grab this hair in the same color and no bangs. Grab these square glasses and toggle it to the circle one in this color for 8334F and 8788DA. Position the Y to 0.47. Scale it to 0.61. Grab these two items. Sorry, this one in oversized and just this one in white. The same color. I don't know why I said that twice. And then we're going to grab these shoes here. We're going to color it first this blue. I think I'm just going to make it into like a silk material. Then I'm just going to grab these two blues, maybe 0C3464, like that. And then lastly for the pants, I'm just going to use these in this blue in matte. And that is it. That is sadness for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.